Welcome back to life after quitting my job.
So lately I've really gotten into gua sha. I stole my mom's. I'm back to my Kures Bakuchiol. This is like, it smells very herbal, but I think it works best for my skin, so I'm back to it. I have washed my gua sha. So first I start with my neck. It's gotten so red. The other day it looked like I had a hickey on my neck. I was like, no, it is just my beauty routine. For sunscreen, I'm using this one from Dr. Sheth and I really like it. Remember I mentioned that I had lots of breakouts. This has really helped get rid of the pigmentation. And it's lightweight, it does not clog my pores, does not break me out. No white cast, cruelty free. I like it. The sky is so beautiful today. I'm trying to get back into the whole getting sun in the morning routine because that really helps to regulate my day. Otherwise I'm in my room all day and I don't get a lot of sun in my room. So this really helps with peak mental health. I would highly recommend, especially if you work from home, get some sun. This is not a very flattering angle, but the sky looks so pretty with the birds flying by, so you deserve to see some sky. This is not a very critical piece of content, but there's a plot hole in my vlog since like 2022. My friend Samar from college and we went to college in 2022 to get our degrees, and we were unsuccessful, of course, because Delhi University.
Admin is so inefficient. आज apparently non-teaching staff का strike है. So आज degree नहीं मिलेगी, उन्होंने सीधा मना कर दिया.
And then we also made another trip, I think in 2023, and we were unsuccessful again. Let's roll back the footage.
Hi Samar, welcome guys.
The struggles of getting your degree from DU.
Venki admin specifically just tests our patience on every level. This was attempt number 2 to come and get our degree, and आज भी नहीं मिलेगी क्योंकि आज ये लोग busy हैं with giving admit cards to kids.
So today we are planning to go make our attempt number 3. Let's really hope we get it this time because oh my god, we are frustrated. For now, let's get some sun. I forced myself to eat an apple even though I wasn't hungry particularly. I've noticed when I eat my meals on time, my whole system and body clock is in place. So when you don't have an office to go to and a set lunchtime, you have to force yourself to do these things. I'm trying very hard to fall back on track.
Say welcome back Samar. That's crazy. We are back here to get the degree.
आज भी नहीं मिलेगी, फिर मैं घूमते घूमते बॉटनी डिपार्टमेंट में चला गया. मैं तो
Congratulations. Third time's the charm. अभी हमें नहीं मिला था.
22, 23, 24 also.
24 में
I came in May 24.
When did I come last? I
You
also
refused
came.
to come, but yes,
Finally.
thank God.
Because apparently हमें पता चला गोयल सर नहीं है. इसलिए there was someone new who's come in our admin department, and that's why we finally got our degree. Thank you. 3 बार आए हम इससे पहले लेने के लिए. Right? Yes, it's not
तुम
just
लोग
us.
की डिग्री खत्म हो जाएगी, लेने आओगे तब ऐसे ही. Let's go. All the best.
Thank you. You too. This man got all the documentation ready. इसने सब निकलवा के सब रख दिया ready करके. He reached on time and everything.
वो ना स्मार्ट चीज थी. That was a smart thing to do.
Yeah, that's what I'm
क्योंकि
saying.
मैंने कह दिया कि मेरी दोस्त भी आ रही है लाने, उसकी भी डिग्री रख लो आप.
This was all of my college life. लाइब्रेरी से बुक इशू कराना है या इसके आईडी कार्ड पे कुछ भी करना है, ये सब करके देता था. और अभी भी इसने सब करके दे दिया. बोल दिया फोटोकॉपी कराना है, चल सब पता करके. मेरा काम लिटरली 5 मिनट में हो गया.
और मेरा नहीं हुआ. मेरा 5 मिनट में नहीं हुआ, मेरा 1 घंटे में हो गया है. क्योंकि मेघलियाना बनर्जी इज नॉट अ पंक्चुअल पर्सन. सॉरी.
It's a shoot day. It's an outdoor shoot. I'm quite excited. I have to wash my hair, dry it, get ready and reach. So Let's get up. It's so cold, dude. I hate getting up early in the cold. I need to fix my routine.
Performing in a play. We are doing 2 shows. Today is the first day. I am running late as usual, but I wanted to quickly do my makeup so that I look less homeless. So I'm just doing very basic stuff, what I normally do. I did theatre in school here and there, but after that I've been acting, but I haven't done theatre. So like after 2014 or 15 I'm doing it, so I'm really excited, not nervous somehow. We've been practicing for like over a month at this point. Okay, brows done. I have this concealer for like I don't know how long. It's my mom's. It's almost over, so I'm probably gonna get either Ruby's Organics or Color Chemistry. If anyone has used any of those, please tell me how they are. Or Dot Earth, that also I've seen a lot. Blush. Fight against time. Okay, done. OOTD, let's run. Hi, toy. Ask is to look like a joker today.
Yes,
We are back.
An amazing show. You were amazing. So proud of you.
Glad. ये biased opinion तो नहीं है?
No. You know I'm not a biased opinion.
She's the opposite of biased opinion. She's mean opinion.
No.
Unless like you,
Right opinion.
day 1 was a success.
Day
Let's
2
hope
will
day
be
2 is even
amazing.
better.
So come for tomorrow if you have missed today's show.
अब तो ये vlog बाद में जाएगा ना.
Oh.
But we hopefully will perform again and again and again. So come then. When I get famous तब तो लोग आएंगे. मेरे 1K सब्सक्राइबर्स है यार, मैं फेमस ही हूँ अब तो.
Hi, Vicky. Hello.
Day 2. Let's go.
Everything was like absolutely amazing.
You know, all the good habits I had picked up during the pandemic, like waking up early, working out every day, drinking a lot of water, all of those have gone out of the fucking window. I have become, though I've been working hard, it's not like I've been lazy, but like I have lost all the good habits I built. So next mission is to build back all those good habits, especially starting my early morning routine again. 8 बजे से पहले मेरी आजकल नींद ही नहीं खुलती bro, and I'm not functional before like 11 AM. Also because of the cold, but I want to change that this month. So starting tomorrow I'm gonna start my 6 AM. I'm gonna try 7, let's see, but I'm here to give you some real talk about this whole self-employed time. While I do guess what? What do you think I'm here to do? The OGs will know. We're gonna make some compost, divert some wet waste from the landfill. So I have my leaf collection here, which I add to my compost. Here is my compost. Yeah, basically I've been doing quite a bit. I've been doing brand videos, I am acting, I'm auditioning, I'm modeling. So I have my income sources. It's not like it's zero, but to be real, I'm not making what I was making as my salary yet. I do hope to really grow, work with brands that I genuinely like and products I genuinely will use and recommend to everyone. So yeah, I wanted to talk about this whole morals and ethics while working freelance, right? I have let go of quite a few paid collaboration opportunities in the past however many years of doing this with brands for multiple reasons, but mainly because either they don't align with what I talk about here, or I don't want to do a scripted video, or I don't want to just churn out a video in 3 days of receiving the product. I'm someone who's gonna always try out the product before I post about it. So even my recent period underwear video, the brand reached out to me when my period was 2-3 days away. Menstrual cup video, I waited for a month before I could try it out. I did not post about it. I tried it and only then made the video. For the period underwear, they literally texted me 2 days before my period, and I was like, hey listen, either you'll have to wait for a whole month because I'm going to try it in my next cycle, then post about it, or like send it to me ASAP because I want to try it this cycle if you want the video sooner. So like, no, we want the video before next month for sure. So they sent it to me like in 2 days, and I tried it before I could post about it at all. So I'm very particular, and I want to be very honest and authentic about any collaborations I take up, and I want my audience to trust me. For more than anything else, I want my audience to trust when I say something. I don't want to be one of those sellout influencers who just rave about the next new product and talk about how you need to get this product. Which brings me to the next thing. Okay, so there's this new trend of UGC. You're gonna see UGC everywhere. Now UGC stands for user generated content, right? And my understanding of UGC would be that it is a user of a product who's making content about that product after using it, right? User generated content. But aajkal there is this new trend of scripted UGC videos where they are hiring either content creators or even actors aaj ke date pe to do scripted videos about a product. And I'm like, bhai, because as a user of a product myself also, when I am doing research about a product before buying it, I want like real reviews of a thing, right? I don't want scripted video, because I've said no to such things, such projects. I've lost out on opportunities to earn money as well. But it's okay. I feel like I'm building an authentic voice and a genuine space and a genuine community, and good things take time, so I'm okay with that. I hope I'm able to do, you know, consistently better and able to sustain it. Alright, okay. घुटनों में दर्द हो गया भाई, बुढ़ापा आ गया है। ओ भाई साहब, चलो कंपोस्ट करते हैं अब, बहुत बातें कर ली। So casting agencies, modeling agencies, hire me. I'm here, especially for cruelty-free beauty brands, bro. Like I keep saying, like good ethical brands. I would love to model for products like that. Ethical fashion brand or like a beauty brand. That's just perfect for me in so many ways. So I'm just manifesting that, and I'm hoping that I get to do good work and figure out a little tiny corner of my own in this big space, in this big industry. Alright, okay, back to composting. Oh wow. Say hi. Who is that? What are we doing today?
We're shooting with the best model in the world.
We're shooting with the best agency in the world. मेरे को इतना मजा आ रहा है यार.